Oh, you're playing that game and then
Yeah.
and then why don't you join me? It's a fun game. I used to play this on your account. On Mama's account.
remember that.
I used to play it because I loved it. I see some people out here. People are sitting. There's someone. This is so much fun. I love this game. Did you know I like it?
Obviously, if you're playing it.
I just like it a lot.